Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I gotta come on here and really talk to you guys about KEEL Infrastructure and about just how it's been reacting, and really address some people in the comments and really address the people that are investing in KEEL Infrastructure. Yesterday, in the comment section, man, golly gee, man. It never fails. Every single day that KEEL Infrastructure goes down, the sentiment is terrible. I have never seen people so shook by a single day of trading every time this stock goes down. Listen, guys, and this is what I'm going to continue to say, and this is what I'm going to, for everybody that's in the comment section saying, look, are you still bull? Oh, KEEL's, oh man, it's done went down. It's over for KEEL. The data center build outs in Pennsylvania are dead now because of Governor Shapiro's executive order, which is furthest from the truth, by the way, and I'll make another video on that. But guys, listen, it is plain, it is simple, and I want people to understand this. I do not care what the price and what the stock, a KEEL Infrastructure stock, does on a day-to-day basis. I could care less. It doesn't matter, and this is why I try to preach to people. You have to stop looking at the markets every single day. It is not healthy. If you're a long-term investor, now listen, if you're a trader, whatever, yes, I understand. You can, you got to look at the markets every day. But if you are a long-term investor, stop looking at the market every day. You're going to always talk yourself out of a position if you follow the markets every single day, because every single stock has bad days. And if you just sit there and hyper-focus on the stock market every single day, you're never gonna be able to succeed long term in an investment, because you're gonna make rational ass decisions. And listen, I do not care what the price of KEEL does from day to day. It doesn't matter. It could go all the way down to $1. I'm not gonna look at it. I care about what the price of KEEL Infrastructure is gonna be at the end of 2027. I don't care where it goes right now. I really don't. And check it out. By the end of 2027, if the price is still way down, okay, I lost money on the trade. That's just how it goes. But I'm not about to sit here and open the brokerage every day and look at what KEEL's doing on a day-to-day basis. It doesn't matter. My thesis is for a multi-year build out with KEEL Infrastructure. I don't care what the trading is doing from day to day, week to week. I do stay updated on it because I make videos on it and I got people that follow the channel in the community. But for me, I don't give a shit about the price. And I got all these people in the comments saying it's over for KEEL Infrastructure, when just the other day they were saying they were bullish. The price goes down and they fucking completely... I don't understand it, and it's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. I try to come on here and explain to you guys what KEEL Infrastructure is doing, the thesis and the conviction I have in it for the future. Guys, you have to give the company time. You have to. Institutions aren't following this shit on a day-to-day basis. They buy and they reevaluate everything on a quarterly basis. If you want to follow KEEL Infrastructure's stock price, just look at it once a week. Reevaluate your investment once a week, not every single day. It's so unhealthy for your portfolio and for your mental state. And if you are one of those people that change your mind lickety split every time the stock goes down, just sell, because you're never going to be able to hold it. When you're investing, you just need to go buy an ETF or another stable name like Amazon, Facebook, whatever, because you're never going to be able to hold this small caps long term. If every single time the stock goes down, you're freaked out, it doesn't make any sense, right? If it's too risky for you, then you don't need to be in it. If every time you see the price go down, you want to say, oh, it's over for them, blah, 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 then just sell right now. Don't hold it, right? Just don't. It's that simple. You don't have to put yourself through that mental stress. KEEL Infrastructure is not an investment for everybody. It's not an investment for beginners. It's an investment for people that have done their research and that believe in the vision. It's not an investment for people that just jump on the bandwagon and hope for the best. That's not what this trade is. This trade is specifically for people that have done their research, have built conviction in it, and believe that they're going to be able to execute on their timelines. It's not a just throw shit at the wall and hope it sticks kind of deal. Yeah, you might get lucky, but if you're the type that don't have the mental capacity to see a price go down, you're never going to be successful in small caps, because the shit is volatile. When you make investments like this, you have to build your thesis and you have to invest and evaluate it on a quarterly basis. Stop following the damn price every single day. It's damn near a micro cap stock. You cannot, dude. Now listen, if you were invested in like Amazon or something, following the price every single day, that's fine, because it's a big, healthy stock. It's not as volatile. Even though it can be volatile, it can be just as volatile. But it's more stable. It's fucking Amazon. We're talking about a $2 billion KEEL Infrastructure. I don't know how many times I have to say it for people, and they're probably still never going to understand, about how to buy and just hold a company. Buy and hold an investment. I make these videos so you don't have to follow the stock price every single day. I make these videos to let you know, look, everything's fine. Everything's cool. We're in this shit together. You don't have to analyze the stock price every day. If something happens with KEEL Infrastructure negative, I'm going to come on here and let you know. You don't have to open your fucking brokerage every 30 seconds to see what the price of KEEL Infrastructure is doing. And then you got other people saying, when Ben and the COO bought, it was out of desperation. People don't have any sense, man. They will just try to find and pull anything negative from a situation that they can. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. You got to be careful in small cap communities, because there's people that don't have any fucking sense whatsoever, that think they are just the best investor in the world. They want to give everybody advice when they can't even hold a company because they get shook when the price drops 20%. You have to be very, very careful in this space of the information you take in. You don't have to take this information. You don't have to watch this channel. I could give two shits. I want the people that want to watch this channel to be here. I want the people that are genuinely interested in what I'm talking about to be here. If you're not, if you're just full of negativity all the time, go fucking do that somewhere else. I want the people that are truly here, that have actually done the work to be in a stock, and not just the bandwagoners. I don't want the bandwagoners in here. I don't want the people that are just in here following the damn hype. I want the people that are serious investors that are actually understand what KEEL Infrastructure is doing. Most of the haters don't even understand what they're doing. They just see a headline and they make a post about it, or they make a comment about it, without any kind of knowledge of what's actually going on. Anyway, just wanted to come on here real early this morning and let you guys know that, guys, everything is still fine. Yes, the only thing that has changed is the fucking price went down. That's it. Nothing fundamentally has changed with the company. And the only thing, the reason the price is down is because of that executive order in Pennsylvania, which is really a nothing burger at the end of the day. Honestly, I think it's going to be a net benefit to KEEL Infrastructure. I think it's going to be a net positive, because it puts them in the position to really overachieve for the community and for the Pennsylvania community as a whole. They're going to be able to comply with whatever the compliance laws or issues are. And I really think they could be a leader in Pennsylvania, leading the way to actually show other people how it's done. I think it's going to be a net benefit for KEEL Infrastructure. But people want to see a headline, and people just want to spew shit because they don't know what they're talking about. There's no way they've even had time to do the research on it before they make a comment or a post about it. They just see the headline, they're like, oh, it's over for KEEL Infrastructure. They don't even know what the fuck the executive order is saying. They just see executive order and data center in the same sentence and think it's fucking over. Oh, man. I swear some of the people on the internet that are investors, I really don't understand how they even know how to invest, because it's overly whelmingly obvious that some people, the internet is literally their entire life. They wake up every morning and they just thrive to get on the internet and post shit and post negative stuff, and they just enjoy it. They thrive off of negativity. And I feel so sorry for those people. Their life has got to be miserable. But anyway, guys, I got to get to work. wanted to come on here real early and just talk to you guys and give you my thoughts, because it's been very frustrating seeing how fast people switch up on a company when the price goes down. It's incredibly fascinating. So anyway, the core community, the KEEL Infrastructure community that has been here, that knows the deal, we're sticking together. We're riding this thing out. If anything ever changes, I'm going to come on here and let you know. If the thesis gets broke, I'm going to come on here and let you know. But until that time, I'm 10 toes down. I'm not looking at the fucking price every day. I'm keeping my portfolio closed. My investments are placed, and I'm keeping them there until my thesis plays out. So, y'all have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.